Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you an easy machine applique method. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To machine applique the orange peel block, you're going to want a background square and a square of scrap fabric, plus our template. The template is available inside Aunt M's So Long Adventure, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. And I've traced the template onto freezer paper. I'm just going to cut that out. Once I get the template cut out, I'm going to take my scrap of fabric. I'm going to lay this on. I want to make sure that I have a generous 1/4 inch all the way around, and I'm putting this onto the wrong side of the fabric. And I'm just going to press this on here, and then I'm going to cut a 1/4 inch all the way around here. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to fold this down so it's right tight against the edge, and I'm going to press that all the way around. And then I'm going to use some spray starch, and I'm just going to get that a little wet. Don't get it too wet or it won't stick to your freezer paper. But we really want to set this edge and get a crisp edge here. And I'm going to give it one more good spray because I want that crisp edge. And then I can pop out my freezer paper. And we're going to center your applique onto the background square. And then you can just glue stick this in place. And then you can do a decorative stitch or just top stitch it down. And that will finish your block. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.